A salamander loses its leg and grows it back in 6 weeks. Bone, muscle, nerves, everything. A human loses a finger and it's gone forever. Why? Your body already built a full set of limbs during embryonic development. That biological information is still inside every cell right now. So what's stopping it? Scar tissue. When you're wounded, your body floods the area with collagen, a thick wall. It protects against infection and blood loss. But it blocks regeneration completely. Salamanders skip the scar. Their wound forms a blastema, a mass of unspecialized cells that can become bone, skin, muscle, or nerve. No wall, just potential. The blastema rebuilds exactly what was lost. Cut at the shoulder, full arm regrows. Cut at the wrist, just the hand. The blastema knows precisely what is missing. Humans actually do this on a tiny scale. Children under 11 can regrow fingertips if the nail bed stays intact. Stem cells under the nail kickstart regrowth. We have the hardware. In 2022, Tufts University scientists placed a wearable device containing 5 drugs onto an adult frog's stump, a species that cannot naturally regrow limbs. After just 24 hours wearing the device, the frog spent 18 months regrowing a functional leg, bone, nerves, and toes. A species that couldn't regrow anything did. The same approach is now being tested in mice. The question scientists are racing to answer isn't whether human regeneration is possible, it's how to unlock it. Your body built your arms and legs once. That biological blueprint has never left. It's inside every cell right now. Never erased. Just waiting. Scientists aren't asking if human regeneration is possible anymore. They're asking how to unlock it. And the answer might already be inside you.